Alright, what's up guys? So today, sorry if my voice sounds weird, sorry about the wind, but kind of sick right now. But today we're going to be doing a video to see if sport mode actually does anything. So here's the first two vehicles. 2017 Toyota Highlander LE V6 3.5 liter, 2021 Silverado 1500 5.3 liter. Don't mind that little roller skate, that is not ours. Anyways, and then a 2016 F150 3.5 liter Ecoboost. So, I'll be back in a minute when we are ready to go and test out the sport mode. So the way we're going to be doing this is we're going to be doing 0 to 60 tests in sport mode and without sport mode. I'm using this app. Uses GPS to tell you all this stuff. So, back with you guys in a minute. Okay, whenever you're ready.
Just go?
Yes, punch it. Okay.
Okay, what?
I got it.
Okay. I have to turn around. Oh, I guess I just could have done it. Well, you want to do it on the flat, though.
Yeah.
So let me turn around here.
5.35 seconds, 0 to 60. Without sport mode.
Okay.
Okay, go. There. 7.4 seconds. Okay. It's the same, 7.4. Good that way. $1,567 miles, and so the truck went to move it out of the garage so I could put something else in the garage, and the thing wouldn't move. Put it in drive, you hit the gas, it wouldn't move. In reverse, it wouldn't move. Acted like the transmission was slipping, and so I went and got him, came out and tried to move it again, and the thing lurched forward and peels out, and so we had it taken to the dealership, and they had to replace the valve body in the transmission. 8,000 miles. And also the oil filter loosened up because the dealership didn't tighten it enough when they changed the oil.
Okay, tell me when it's not in sport mode, four-wheel drive.
Okay. Seconds.
So it's actually faster than the
Ford, yeah.
Give me a second.
Turn it. There.
Okay.
Hold on a second. Reset the GPS. Okay. 6.2 seconds.
So it did make a difference, huh?
Yeah. Good that way. Waiting for GPS.
Might have to go up the road.
Okay. Good.
Ready?
Yep. Seconds 0 to 60. Let's go down to and select it.
And go this way?
Hit the center button. Okay.
Oh, okay. All right.
Gotta reset this. Okay.
Sure that's right. A little uphill.
Okay. .5. 7.9 to 6.5. Okay.